Hello everyone, welcome back to another RoutineHub Roundup. Today we have a really cool one from Hanabi on RoutineHub. Thank you for uploading this to the site. This one's called Translate Webpage. This one translates the whole webpage with Google Translate. This is really handy if you ever come across a website in a different language, you want to check out some news, some articles, but you're unable to translate it within the Safari app or any other app. So let's go ahead and check it out. Be sure to check out the description here. Really cool stuff from our RoutineHub community. So if you go ahead and press Get Shortcut, which I already did, it'll be right there for you, ready to go. So if we open up another site in a different language, you can see here, it's all in Japanese. So if we click the share sheet, translate website, let's activate the shortcut. We can translate it into English in App Safari, and it should be doing the magic there. And sure enough, it returns this to us. So you can see here, let's go ahead and click on another article. We'll go ahead and run the shortcut once more. In App Safari, sure, click that. And there we go. Here is our article translated from Japanese to English. Very cool stuff. So be sure to check this out. Use it and upload your own work to RoutineHub if you are a developer of shortcuts. And once again, shout out to Hanabi on RoutineHub. Their profile has a good amount of shortcuts, 4 shortcuts with almost 700 downloads. Really cool stuff. All right, thanks everyone. See you on the next roundup.